morning children, this is class 2 English Spotlight 2. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Children, we all know that in the English alphabet we have 26 letters starting from A till Z, and combination of these letters are used to make the different words that we have in the English language. When words are arranged in the order or sequence of letter as in alphabet A to Z, then the words are said to be in alphabetical order. How to arrange the word in alphabetical order? We should look at the first letter of each word. The word begins with the letter A, comes first, followed by the word that begins with the letter B, then C, then D, and so on. Now look at this example: baby, cave, face, gem. Now in these 4 words, what do we see? Baby begins with B, then cave begins with C, then face begins with F, then gem begins with G. It is sequence of letter, so just as in alphabet. Now look at the second word set. Here we have oven, snail, towel, and umbrella. So here we have O, S, T and U. Now if you remember, O comes before S, T comes after S, and U comes after T. So these words followed by alphabetical order. Now exercise F. Read the story. There are 10 mistakes. Circle the word and write them correctly. Tony is a clown. He works in a circus. Children clap when they see him. Tony wears a yellow cap and red pajamas. He rides a little cycle round and round in circles. He always has a big smile on his face. He is happy because he makes people laugh. Now take a pencil and circle the mistakes. Here the first mistake is clown, second is circus, third mistake is clap, fourth is C, fifth mistake is yellow, sixth mistake is cycle, seventh mistake is circles, eighth mistake is smile, ninth mistake is face, and 10th mistake is happy. Okay children, circle the all mistakes properly and check the all mistakes with the help of dictionary. Then write correctly. That's all for today. Thank you.